Merit Educational Consultants has cracked the code and can help your child get in. We have developed a 3-part plan to help your child get into their dream school. First, Merit College Advisors help your child select the best fit colleges, ensure she meets application deadlines, has excellent college essays that highlight all of her strengths, and lay out her 4-year plan before she leaves for college. Second, Merit College Advisors guide your child through Project Merit, an independent project that will highlight your child's strengths and separate her from the competition. When students become the CEO, founder, and patent holder of their projects, their college applications stand out and they get in. Finally, Merit College Advisors can help your child replace a bad grade to improve her GPA. Your child can retake the class at Merit Academy and her new grade will replace the D or F. When your child applies to colleges in the fall of senior year, she will impress admissions officers. Merit's College Advisors are there for you as much or as little as you need. You aren't forced to buy expensive packages. Instead, just pay as you go. Call Merit to have your free initial consultation with our college advisors. Don't live in the Bay Area? We Skype all over the world. www.meritworld.com